Hello my foodie friends, and welcome back to another edition of In the Kitchen with Karen. So today I'm going to be doing my last holiday recipe before Christmas, and it is a fun one. Have you guys ever heard of frozen hot chocolate? It was made famous from a restaurant in New York City called Serendipity back in 1957, and people still line up to this day for hours to get a chance to go in there and have this frozen hot chocolate. It's basically ice with hot cocoa and chocolate syrup all mixed in a blender. Sort of like a frappuccino that you would get at Starbucks, and then they top it with whipped cream and chocolate shavings, and it is amazing. So I thought it would be fun to do a little play on that today. So we're going to be making frozen hot chocolate pie. It doesn't have too many ingredients, and I know your family is going to love it. So let's get cooking. Now to a large bowl, we are going to add 2 8-ounce packages of softened cream cheese, a half a cup of powdered sugar, and now we're going to beat this till it's light and fluffy. The next step is to add 3 packets of hot cocoa mix. Today I'm using Swiss Miss, but you can use any flavor you like. A 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now I know it seems kind of counterintuitive to add salt to something sweet, but it just really brings out the natural flavors of the ingredient. And a 1/4 cup of chocolate syrup. Now give this another good mix. And now we're going to need 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, but I'm only going to put in 1 cup right now. Now scrape down the sides of your bowl. Now for the other cup. Now mix this for 1 minute until it's light and fluffy. And now it wouldn't be hot chocolate without some mini marshmallows. So we're going to add 1 cup of the marshmallows. And just stir those in by hand. Okay, you guys, I have to try just a little taste. Oh my gosh, it is so good. Now we're ready to put it in our crust, and you can do it 2 different ways. Because of the holidays, I'm busy and I don't have time to make it from scratch, so I'm using this already prepared Oreo cookie crust, but feel free to make your own using the cookies and some melted butter. Now we're just going to pour it into our pie shell. And now this is going to be the hardest part of the whole recipe. We have to wait 3 to 4 hours until it freezes. Let's go find a spot in the freezer. Okay, you guys, and here we have it, our frozen hot chocolate pie. Just for a little decoration, I'm going to put some whipped cream on the top and hot chocolate is my grandson Caleb's favorite drink, and he always has to have sprinkles on top. And there you have it. So didn't this come out so great, you guys? Now you know what time it is. Woo! Oh, it's time for it to fall off the plate. Definitely a winner. It's sweet, but not too sweet because the cream cheese gives it a little bit of tanginess. The crust is perfect, the chocolate Oreo crust. The little mini marshmallows, it gives a nice little contrast because they're slightly chewy. You guys, you have to try this. It's so good. So I want to thank you for joining me. I hope you'll hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, I would very much appreciate it. And I want to wish everyone the happiest of holidays and a wonderful new year. And we'll see you at the next episode. Bye, everybody. Now I'm just going to add a little bit of whipped cream.
Pretty sad looking whipped cream there.
It is. Yeah, we need the new one. That's just